In my last video, I talked about why you need to nourish your chakras. In this one, I'm going to show you how. Essentially, you're going to be using an aura spray. We call it the Chakra Healing Spray. And how this came about, I'll be very brief, was because I recognized that the chakras could easily become depleted, and how best to nourish them was with gemstone energies. But not everybody could easily afford to wear the gemstones that had a particular vitalizing effect on the chakras. So I was able to develop a technology to allow the energies of gemstones to be imparted into a spray. So we now have the benefit of being able to deliver gemstone energies to the chakras. And the reason that is important is because the chakras recognize the energies of the earth's minerals, and specifically certain healing gemstones, as food. As the chakras receive the food, they're able to become nourished and function at their full capacity. So we're going to be using the Chakra Healer Spray in this demonstration. And we always begin with the crown chakra and work down. The crown chakra is at the top of your head. But what you do when you want to give yourself a full and complete chakra self-therapy, and this is a more thorough approach to working with the chakras, you start by spraying overhead and let the mist rain down around you. And what this does, it helps to awaken your body and your chakras to the therapy that's going to come, that you're going to be giving yourself. You might say it puts yourself into a healing mode. Okay, now you want to spray toward your crown chakra. And you can just spray once. For me, my body wanted 2 sprays. That was fine. Next, you hold the bottle at your head and spray up. Now, for me, it wasn't just here, but I also sprayed a little bit farther away. Okay, now you want to work with the chakras on the front of your body. So I'll turn so you can see what I'm doing better. So the next chakra is the brow. Always close your eyes or cover your eyes whenever you spray anything toward your face. In this case, the Chakra Healing Spray has organic grape alcohol in it, and alcohol will sting the eyes. So make sure your eyes are closed. Okay, so I'm going to cover them also, and because it's a good habit. And I'm going to hold the bottle away from my forehead. I'm going to look to make sure that the sprayer is pointing, and then just spray. And then hold the bottle at my forehead and spray out. And I needed a couple of sprays on the way out. You may only need one. Again, now I'm going to go with my throat chakra, holding the bottle away from my body. And I had the sense I needed a little bit more spray coming in, so I gave myself some tiny little squirts. And hold the bottle at your throat, all the way out. And then at heart is next. And then out. Notice how I changed the position of my hands so I could get a nice straight projection of the spray. Next is the stomach. And then spray out. Okay. And then sacral chakra. And then away. And then root chakra. And then away. I also like to spray down to help clear my connection with the earth, help me feel more connected. And that is it. It's that simple. And the benefits are too long to list, because every chakra has a particular way that it helps you to interact with the world around you. And the better you can interact with the world around you, the healthier you're going to be, the more successful you're going to be, the better your relationships are going to be, the better you're able to express yourself, the better you're going to be able to dream and manifest the things that you want to have in your life. The list just goes on and on. Overcoming lack of momentum, like boredom, improving sleep, improving your just your ability to interact with the people around you and life itself. It's so much easier when you're fully nourished at your chakra centers. So my name is Isabel Morton. I'm the founder of the Gemstone Therapy Institute. I wish you all the best on your journey to greater health.